Right, progress in the job today. We've fitted the stack silencer, and been working on the oil gauge pipes and the various gauges in the cab. We've fitted the temperature sender, we filled the engine with water, got a bit of a leak on that one there, so tighten that up. Started doing all the rewiring, fitting the box, the regulator box. You can see the pipe down there. So we started doing cables now. Got my box of cables and fittings to progress it. Be working in the cab as well on the starter switch. So what have we got there? We got wiring the glow plugs. So that cable, you can see there we've these two cables here. Then we can wire the starter motor in, and it'll be fuel, engine oil, and hopefully a start next week. And we've got the hydraulic oil to put in, of course, so again there slowly. Nice change of the weather as well. We had to, but she's getting there now. Yeah, we got one little leak there, that's all. Goodbye. Top hose, that's all, just needs nipping up. See it? Alright. Everything else seems alright. I've got my little T key here somewhere. One of the boxes. And all look good.